Welcome to Kartra. Just want to take a moment to show you around your affiliate account. When you log in, your affiliate account will look something like this. Right here are the promos that you signed up to promote, and of course in the very beginning you'll see that you have no sales or rebills as it comes in. If you want to find more products to promote, go ahead and click the marketplace and you'll see other products that people are looking for their affiliate programs. Under promotions, you'll find the products that you're signed up to promote, as well as tracking links. You can create a specific tracking link for any of the products that you're promoting so that you can monitor where your sales are coming from. In the analytics screen, you'll be able to see the sales that you receive as an affiliate. This is a recap of your affiliate sales, and you can divide it up by the product using the drop down here. You'll also see JV broker sales if you've brought in additional affiliates, and the transaction history for each of the transactions can be found here. Now, under payments, you'll see that there are payment settings and you can see a history of your earnings. Under payment settings, if the vendor requires it, you will have to set up a payment method to send payments via or receive payments via PayPal, paper check, or a bank wire. And then you also have to submit tax documentation that is required or that may be required by your vendor, and verify your profile as well. Many vendors require this before they will send a commission. Over here, there's a drop down that allows you to change your account settings, and you can also use this button here to contact Kartra support. The bell is for notifications. If there's news or alerts that we've sent to everyone, you'll see it right here under the notifications. All the additional areas here are for full Kartra members. You can sign up to be a full Kartra member by simply clicking on this button and pressing the button at the bottom to become a Kartra member and sign up. That's all. Enjoy Kartra.